Moving ahead, we're going to the file upload section. In this one, we'll cover how to use file upload functionalities to gain code execution. So in web applications, especially the ones using file systems to determine what code should be run, we could get a code execution on a server if we manage to upload a file with the right file name, often depending on the extension. In this section, we'll see how the basics of this type of attacks. So we're working on a PHP application, so we need a PHP web shell. I'm using Visual Studio for the example number one. So we have to create a file with a PHP extension on a PHP shell. So I'm using Visual Studio. I created this file called phpinfo.php, which has the PHP info function. So we come here to file upload, choose file, show all files. It should be here in local disk, examp, HD docs, PHP info. Here's our file. We could click on open, send file. Here we see that we obtained the PHP info from the website as expected. So now, example number two is a little bit trickier, but it's very simple. In the first example, we did a basic upload form. Now the developer has put on a restriction on the file name, so it cannot end with PHP. So we need to bypass this with one method. We could change the extension to PHP 3, 4, or 5, or we could also add dot blah dot PHP example. So for this one, I've created the php.blah file, so we're gonna upload that one. So we choose our file, show our files, the dot file. It's there. We send it to the server. Upload done. We can file that file here, and we obtain the PHP information that we need. And that would conclude our file upload section, and we're moving on to the XML related attacks.